Last night, I have the privilege to meet a potential student and was able to know her current skill in drawing and interests. Surprisingly, we both like portraits. She showed me some of her works, and most of them are superheroes from Avengers. And her works are decent, and you will clearly see that her eyes and hand coordination is solid, but lacks the basic foundation in drawing a human head. I'm dedicating this sketch practice to her. Almost everything now are instant. We have instant coffee that all you need to do is open a sachet and pour hot water. No need to roast, grind, boil, then filter coffee beans just to enjoy a cup of coffee. Everything is quick and easy. And we are somewhat conditioned in this line of thinking when it comes to learning a new skill. Most of the time, we think when we join a short course of an oil painting class, and after completing, we can now be called expert and can do a master painting. But this is never be true. Skills are laboriously and painstakingly developed through time. They even develop a formula just to define how to become good in a certain skill. Have you heard of 10,000 hours training? That is how long you need just to be good. Take note, only good. It's not even expert, just good. How long do you think to reach a master level? Are you all getting me? There are a lot of courses offered nowadays, but don't just grab the first thing that comes your way. Rather sit down first and analyze. Look at the future and look at the present. Ask yourself these questions. 1. What is your final goal? What do you want to achieve in the future? Do you want to paint or just sketch? Do you want a tight or realistic art or just a loose art? Number 2. What level are your present skills? After asking these two questions, then you can start to look for a course that will enhance you at your level. Though we immediately love to jump into the deep parts of water, however, we are not well equipped to handle the deep. So the outcome is either we struggle so hard just to get out, or we meet our end. This is the same with learning a skill. Don't just jump blindly. Rather start with learning the right, basic foundation and gradually improve. One of my favorite quotes is, "Practice makes it permanent." And this is so true. Everything that you practice becomes a permanent part of you. The way I hold my pencil in sketching. There are two ways I hold my pencil, the tripod and underhand hold. In underhand hold, hold your pencil perpendicularly while the tip of the pencil is pointing away from your palm. The farther you hold your pencil from the tip, the lighter the mark will be. The good thing with this hold is that you pivot from your wrist or from your elbow, not from your fingers, ideal for making a long straight line. Tripod hold is the normal way we hold the pencil when we are writing. If you will hold the pencil perpendicularly, the tip of the pencil will be pointing towards your palm. This kind of hold is great for making a precise, small lines. During the early and the mid stage, I always use the underhand hold and use the tripod hold at the last stage of the sketch when I'm putting in the details. I trained myself in holding the pencil like this, so the adjustment during the transition from pencil to paintbrush will not be difficult. I hope you learned something. Like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time!